Hi, everyone. Thank you all for being here. My name is Joaquin Fish, and I'm co-founder and CEO of Nat4Bio, a startup developing zero-residue and edible coatings to protect fruits from spoilage. Food waste is a huge issue. Almost 30% of all, in fact, if food waste were its own country, it would be the third largest greenhouse gas emitter, only behind China and the US. Almost 30% of all food produced is lost or waste somewhere in the value chain. And this is even worse for fruits and veggies, where almost half of it goes to waste. On top of that, microbial pathogens are responsible for more than 30% of all losses in fruits and vegetables. So, to tackle this issue, the standard is to use synthetic products to extend the shelf life of produce and protect it from pests. But now, consumers are demanding greener food, whether organic certified or with zero pesticide residues, and since we live in a globalized world and not everything can be grown locally, we need a natural way to protect fruits during long transit times. At Nat4Bio, we are harnessing the power of microbial fermentation to protect our food. How do we do it? Unlike other companies that rely on plant or insect extracts, we design coatings based on biomolecules produced by non-GMOs, which were isolated from nature. But don't worry, we won't be putting living bugs on your food, just their biochemical power. We are microbial-based. And why is this important? Because our processes, we can use only natural substrates as inputs. And the main byproduct is fungal biomass, which, apart from being biodegradable, can be a valuable input to other industries. Our bioreactors can run no matter the season of the year, the weather, or the geography. And most importantly, our processes are highly scalable. Our final product looks like a liquid, without any color, smell, or taste. It doesn't alter the customer experience. It's applied on the surface of fresh fruits, and it has two main functions: regulating the gas exchange between the fruit and the environment, delaying the ripening process, and providing active protection against microbial pathogens, like other fungi or bacteria. Our MVP is a food-grade coating for citrus, using already GRAS-approved compounds. We perform curative tests by first infecting lemons with a highly concentrated solution of penicillium and then applied our coating. As a result, our formulation showed to be as effective as the most commonly used chemical fungicide in citrus. So, from now on, our customers will be able to access the zero-residue market without compromising decay control. Also, a similar formulation showed a good performance protecting berries, as you can see on the pictures. And based on initial data, our coating also extends the shelf life of produce, even on climacteric fruits such as avocados, which is a big concern in long transit times. The customer discovery process has shown that there is a genuine interest for this kind of product. So far, we have signed 3 R&D agreements with potential customers for our MVP, which are among the biggest citrus packers and producers in the region. And the market potential for this technology is immense. We estimate that the post-harvest treatment market is a $3.5 billion opportunity. And initially, we're targeting the most exported fruit classes in Latin America. We know we're not alone, but our tech has several advantages when compared to competitors. Besides traditional chemical companies, there are some players developing passive coatings which provide a good grade of shelf life extension, but lack a natural protection against microbial pathogens. Besides, there are other companies focused on biological control as well, but they are using living microbes in their formulations, which represents a real challenge regarding storage and logistic conditions. Our cell-free formulations are stable and can be easily stored. But this is not it. We can leverage our native microbial collection and the science behind our formulations to develop a wide variety of antimicrobials, not only for fruits and veggies or seed and crop protection, but also for the food industry as a whole. And to do so, the team accounts for more than 3 decades studying microbes, the compounds they produce, and their applications for the agri-food industry. And we have the entrepreneurial drive required to unlock the full potential of microbes. Please join us to revolutionize the way we protect our food and the environment. Thank you very much.